Hi, I'm Sam from Gruppen, and I'm here at InfoComm to introduce you to the award-winning Zone Amp series. This is our new install-centric DSP-Native amplifier range that's going to set a new standard for installed AV. It's a consistent range starting at 600 watts, going all the way up to 24K and come in 4 and 8 channel versions. We provide 8x8 Dante AS67 functionality for the 4 channels and 16x16 for the 8 channel models. We also taken power sharing to the next level, so you can choose to deploy your 4 channel amplifier as a 3 channel or a 2 channel or a single channel unit. That way we can guarantee that you can drive whatever your load needs in any situation and provide you with an amplifier that can be deployed in a more various scenarios. They come with high-performance mic preamps. There are padless mic line and individual phantom power. And as we have Dante in and out, those mic preamps are shareable over the network. So as you're building your system, you're actually building a distributed matrix system. And we're also allowing you to share process content out to the system, so you can do the processing in one of our devices and then pass that on to a non-DSP enabled device. For more information, please visit our website, labgruppen.com. Thank you for your time.